Hi everybody, this is Dorothy Walsh with Coldwell Banker, and I am here to invite you to a really special event that I'm holding on September 7th. That's a Saturday, and it's from 10 to 4. I'm going to hold an open house auction on a home I have listed in Fair Oaks. This is a really nice home, and you won't want to miss your chance to come and put in an offer on it. So talk to your agents or come on your own. And there'll be a lot more details that will be coming out this week. If you follow me on Facebook and YouTube, you'll get everything you need. There will be a few minimum requirements in terms of putting in the bid, which will be discussed and also available for you to view and read when you come on that Saturday. But I'm telling you, you don't want to miss this opportunity. It's really special, and I really look forward to seeing you. So I'm excited, and I'm excited for you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. Yay!